Hello everyone, welcome to Android Fixation. My name is Daryl. Of course you already know my name, but in case you didn't, I am going to do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S5, a device I was hesitant to buy because I really wasn't pleased with the Galaxy S4, but then again, I didn't like the HTC One, which has been my main phone since July. So anyway, I'm happy to have the Galaxy S5. So let's begin. As you can see, it has the same type of box as the Galaxy S4, the fake wood grain. So maybe this is going to be Samsung's signature for Galaxy phones. Opening up the box, first thing we see is the handset itself. This is the 16 gig AT&T version in white. In the box we have the usual assortment of items. SIM card, a pamphlet of some sort, an instruction manual, some very crappy earbuds. I really don't like these at all. USB cable, the adapter, and battery. So taking a quick look at the phone itself, we have a phone that measures 142 millimeters in length. It is about 72.5 millimeters in width. It's 8.1 millimeters in thickness, and it weighs 145 grams. The display is a 5.1 inch 1920 by 1080p Super AMOLED display with a pixel density of 432 pixels per inch. In the front of the phone, you can see the front-facing camera, the light sensor, and the proximity sensor. I haven't turned it on yet, so I'm pretty sure over here somewhere is the notification LED. The front camera is a 2.1 megapixel. The rear camera is 16 megapixels. And I am very excited about the fact that this phone can record video in 4K. That's 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. It has a digital image stabilization and HDR, so I can't wait to make some videos using this phone. The CPU is a quad-core 2.5 gigahertz. It has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage. Now with the Galaxy S4, what I didn't like was the fact that a 16 gigabyte phone only came with about 9 gigs of usable space. So I'm gonna see how this one turns out. The battery is a 2800 milliampere hour battery, and supposedly it has standby time of 29 hours or talk time of 16.2 hours. We have the home button, and you can't see it because the phone is not on, but there are capacitive buttons down at the bottom. We have the micro USB port down on the bottom, the power sleep wake button on the right side, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the top. There's a microphone there and the IR blaster. Yeah, the camera again on the back, the flash, and the heartbeat sensor. The speaker is down on the bottom. lower right hand side, Samsung really needs to do something about placing a speaker there. After using the HT1 for a while, it seems to me that nothing can beat two giant front facing speakers. And on the left hand side we have the volume rocker. So we take off this plastic. And take off the back cover, which is not the typical slippery type plastic that we had on previous phones, but it feels a little bit better, Not as good as having, you know, a more solid phone like the types of phones that HTC produces, but you know, we'll see how this works out. So here's the phone with the back off. And another thing we have with the Galaxy S5 is that it is dust proof and waterproof. Now I doubt very much that I'll be dunking this phone in the water, but who knows, maybe I'll try it out. And I mean, everybody else has done it, so if you really want to see it, there are plenty of YouTube videos floating around where people have done it. So you can see where I can throw in my micro SD card there, and the SIM goes in here somewhere. I haven't really had a chance to look at this phone all day because I've been kind of busy. So anyway, there it is, a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S5, the AT&T 16GB white. Please stay tuned for following videos in which I will compare this phone to the Galaxy S4, as well as go through some of the features that, you know, this phone has. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on Twitter at Android Fixation. And you can read some of my articles on Facebook. Not my articles, but articles that I repost on Facebook at facebook.com/Android Fixation. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.